There's some questions about lining up the Immergood gears. These two gears here with the shaft and tub cam. So the easiest way to do it is to hold one end up a little bit and gently lay a little pressure in there and just spin it back and forth a little bit until it drops down in there like that. You can latch the thing down and you know you have it right, and it doesn't have to go any certain direction. Somewhat like that way. I prefer it this way actually. So yeah, the other way to do it is to kind of hold it two hands like this, and if it's sitting on the ground, it works especially well. And to hold the motor with the palm of your hands, spin the dasher a little bit so that it drops down in there, something like that. Let's try that again just for good measure. Spin this thing around a little bit. So we're going to hold it like this, we're going to go like this, and spin our hands a little bit until it lines up. If it doesn't line up, we'll lift it up and give it a quarter turn. Get in there again, and then it drops into place. So pretty much just shuffling a little bit until it gets loose. When you're finished making ice cream, it's going to be turned tight against there. So back it up a little bit. Take the can and just put some backward pressure on it a little bit to take the pressure off of those gears. It'll make taking the motor off a real easy process. Otherwise, if it's tight and you get it poured off, it's going to come off really hard because those gears are still tight together. Ice cream is firm by that time, and it will make it hard to come apart. So that's the basis of putting the motor on the ice cream freezer.